there's a new lady, there's a new bike, it is a Suzuki. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a short teaser kind of video. As you can see behind me, there are new exciting things happening right now. There's a new lady, there's a new bike, it is a Suzuki. I will not say more, I will let you guess about what it is. But yeah, the channel is of course continuing to provide support in the forms of videos that you know, so maintenance, reviews and so on. But there will be also some new series besides those, like how to upgrade this new mysterious bike, what parts I have selected and how I will install them. So yeah, stay tuned. And before I say goodbye, and as always ride safe, I would like to thank first of all my newest memberships member. Check out the video up here about the memberships, Matsiekti, and separately thank Karina from HNB. Karina, thank you so much. And last but not least, thank from Suzuki, George, Effie, Paris and Makis. Thank you so much. See you all there.